Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. This is a new initiative. Today we will review Daughter Earth's concealer. This is the one that I've ordered directly from their website, and I got this lipstick free with this concealer. And I was tired of using all those chemical laden products, cosmetic that's in market. I wanted to try something with natural ingredients like this one. I came across a couple of brands, and Daughter Earth was one of them for organic, or maybe you can say less chemical loaded products. And so let's open this pack and then I'll show you. This one, the packaging is okay. I mean, it's a magnetic kind of holder, and just like one you get in the sugar cosmetic products, the color might seem dark. It's in the shade latte, but when I apply it on my wrist, you can see it's little lighter, somewhat matches to my tone. Basically, I ordered this to cover up my scars and use it as a base. So I'll show you how it looks on my face. You can see there are a lot of acne scars, and I'll start applying. I only applied moisturizer and nothing else. No prepping, no priming, sort of anything, just a simple basic moisturizer. Now if you see, it covers up the scars pretty good. As you can see in the bright light, the pores are still there, but since it's the only product that I've applied, I feel the results are good. This is little from the distance. Let's wait for 2 hours. Okay, this was the result after 2 hours. Since I applied no base, somewhat it had disappeared or dissolved into my skin, and you can see the grayness around the mouth, but it's okay because there was nothing beneath except moisturizer. Would definitely recommend as an alternative to synthetic products.